Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about activity lifecycle. So, activity lifecycles are callback methods that are called automatically by this Android system whenever one activity enters to a new state. We have 7 different types of these callbacks. These are called on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy, and on restart. This diagram is called activity lifecycle diagram. So whenever one activity is launched, the first method it get calls is called on create. Next on start is called, and next on resume is called. After on resume, activity will start appearing on the top and user can interact with it. After that, whenever the activity comes to the foreground, any other activity comes to the foreground, and on pause is called for the current activity. And if the activity moves to the background and it's no longer visible, on stop will be called. And finally, if we destroy it, like we kill the application, or if the system destroy the application, then on destroy is called. One more callback method we have, it's called on restart. So whenever user navigates to the activity, then on restart is called. Okay, let me show you one example how it works. This is the application that we have created on our last video. So this is on create method, and on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy. You can see that all these methods are override. So we are overriding from this app compare activity, and I've added one log statement for each of them. Okay, let me run it on emulator. If I click here, I can see the logs. I can filter out the logs from here. So I'm adding this log life cycle. This is the tag of this log, and this is a message of its log. And you can see that on create is called first. Whenever this application starts, then on start is called, and next on resume is called. If I click on this button here, then it will start on new activity. This is second activity. I have not put any log statement in this activity, so we are tracking on this main activity here. Suppose I'm clicking on this button, then you can see one new activity starts, and for the previous activity it called on pause and on stop. If I move back to the first activity, then it will call again on start and on resume. If you click on this button, it will clear out all these logs. Suppose I'll press this home button, then you can see that on pause and on stop is called. And if I move back here, again on start and on resume called. If I click the home button, then if I kill it, then this on restore is called. On restore is called if the activity finished or being destroyed by the system. So these lifecycle methods are really important. Like if you need to execute something when the activity comes up, like if you want to fetch something from internet, then you can write that code inside on resume. And if you want to like clear out something data when the activity is killed by system or by the user, then you can write this code inside this on destroy method. So this is what I have for today. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel